How to reset your password of Reddit account. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, if you have the Reddit app installed, you can head over to that. If not, you can go to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for Reddit and navigate to its website. After you're in the website, you will see this kind of interface. In order to reset your password, you need to go to the login section. In the top, you can see this login button. Tap on this. It'll take you to the login page. And right below the password field, you can see the forgot password link. You can reset your password from there. So tap on this forgot password link. It'll prompt you to reset your password. From here, you need to enter your valid email or username associated with your account. After it recognizes your account, you can simply tap on this reset password button at the bottom. It'll send you the password reset link into your Gmail account. So check your inbox. Open up the mail from the Reddit. Inside that, you'll see this reset password button. Tap on this. Now, it'll let you reset your password. Tap on this new password field. Make sure your password is secured and easy for you to remember. Once you do that, tap on this continue button. And there you go, your password has been successfully reset. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.